My name is N. Sivakumar. I am a professor in Biochemistry Department at the University of Hyderabad. I have been a faculty in the university since 26 years now. I have a very long association with German universities since 1988. I have visited Germany, I think, about 14 times so far, and had excellent collaborative research programs with different professors in different universities in Germany. The initial input was through a German Academic Exchange Service Fellowship provided by the DAD in India through UGC, and I spent 2 years in Germany on this particular postdoctoral fellowship. Once I returned back, I continued my collaborative program with the professors in the University of Göttingen, which served as a benchmark to establish myself in the University of Hyderabad as a leading biochemist in the area of glycobiology. Having done this research in the field of glycobiology, there was an initiative from the German University of Münster that why don't we start up a combined proposal of international research training group in the field of molecular and cellular glycosciences. So a group of scientists from Münster University approached University of Hyderabad, and we selected a few faculty from the University of Hyderabad and also some other sister institutions in Hyderabad, and then we formed a research group, and then we supported with a funding from DFG. We proposed a research proposal which was went through several rounds of review process, and finally the DFG in Germany has approved this funding program. Since 2009 we are successfully operating this international research training group. I am coordinating this event from the University of Hyderabad and from India. So far we have recruited 2 generations of PhD students at both sites, and in Germany they organized already 2 summer schools, and in Hyderabad we organized already 1 winter school. We propose to recruit the 3rd batch of students during mid-2012 and also have the winter school in Hyderabad during the month of November-December during this year. So this provided a very good platform for students, particularly the PhD students, to have wild international exposure in their particular research area. So the advantage is that the student is registered in India but has a chance to go to Germany and work in a specific research laboratory of his interest. Thereby he is able to devote a lot of his time and get the best out of the stay he is put up in Germany. Thereby it is giving a very good bridge between the 2 collaborative units, one in Germany and one in India. This is a program which is, should go until 2014 in the first phase, and we are very optimistic that we get the funding also from UGC in India, and we would like to extend or request for an extension of this program so that a lot of students will get benefited in this particular program. From German scientists, the support we are getting is the infrastructural support, and when the students go there, they are taken care as well as their own students in their laboratories, and the students utilize the equipment and the knowledge that is there in the German scientists. And also, it's the advantage of these programs, it's bilateral. German students came and worked in my laboratory for 3 months, and they carried very good memories of their work in this lab here. So, and now 2 more students have just come from Germany to continue in another laboratory of my colleague at the university. So there is going to be a continuous exchange of students from both universities, which will definitely give a positive note towards development in this particular research area. Yeah. Hyderabad actually is centrally located, as you know, and a lot of educational institutions around. And University of Hyderabad is one of the most well-noted educational institutions, which involves various disciplines, but not only sciences but also social sciences. And then this particular event, which is a one-day event being organized by DFG, it definitely helps students who are aiming to go to Germany for further studies. It will give them a good support mechanism to see how best they can use the German universities that are available and what type of fundings is available in Germany.